Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jackie, and today we will be packing my suitcase because I'm moving to Florida. I'm just kidding, but I am leaving for Florida tomorrow, and this girl has been lazy with packing, so I thought we'll do it together. I do have like bits and pieces of outfits put together already, so we're just gonna coordinate and put them into the suitcase. I have already packed my kind of like essentials. I have my socks, my underwear, and my sleeping pillowcase, and my pajamas. Starting off, I think rompers are like really great and easy outfits to put on, so I do have a few options here. I just don't know which I would end up wearing. I do have this gray charcoal batwing one from SHEIN. I actually just got this in the mail, so I'm really happy that it came in time, so I'll be bringing this along. The next romper that I have is actually like this really old one. I'm pretty sure I ordered it off like ASOS a few years ago, but it's this like really cute square neckline like smock bodice mauve one with like really dainty florals all around. This is like a really fun like play suit, and I think it'll be really cute for like Disney, so I'll be bringing this as well. I do also have like this white ditzy print one, which you've seen in like my soft girl aesthetics video, but I just thought it'd be like a nice piece to wear in case it gets cold at night. I don't really know the weather there, but it has been getting like kind of chilly in New York here, so maybe I'll get chilly by like the beach or whatever, so this would be like a nice piece for like night walks. And then I do have like this really nice and like heavy duty jumpsuit. It has pants. It also has like this square neckline with a smock bodice. I really like this because it kind of like dresses up the outfit because of like this linen material, but it is quite heavy. I might sweat in this, but I don't know, I feel like we could wear it to like the restaurant or something, and like it would be cute, so I'll be bringing that as well. And then my thought process was it might get cold, like emphasis on the might, so I am bringing like pants with me. I know it seems a little bizarre for Florida, but I never know. I have like these really nice like kind of yoga pants. They are fitted at the thigh and it kind of like flares out at the ankle, which is so flattering, and like they're kind of thick and like not see-through for once. This pair is actually from SHEIN. It is not sponsored, but I do have a lot of things from SHEIN in this suitcase. But yeah, this is such a nice staple, and like I find myself wearing this over and over again in New York, so I feel like it would be a staple and something cute to have in Florida. And then going with the flow, I do have like this lighter pair of culottes. They are much wider and like they're a looser jersey material. I don't know, I just thought like I need to have options. You always need staple pieces for like a vacation wardrobe because you could just mix and match pieces and it will never be boring. And then for tops, you know me, I'm a basics girl, so I grabbed like a bunch of different stuff. Like I have this really basic black ribbed tank top just in case, I don't know. And then of course I have to have my Zara like collared t-shirt. This one is super nice quality. I'm slightly worried because the material is kind of thick, so it might like make me sweat, but it'd be like a really cute outfit for like any of these pieces. Actually, like this would be cute, this would be cute. And then going with the tops, I am actually gonna wear this out. This is like the really cute and dainty open lace up back shirt from SHEIN. I got this in a haul a while ago, and well, I got it in winter time, so it wasn't appropriate to wear. And now it'll be super hot in Florida, so it'll be the perfect time to wear it. And then in my recent haul, I also got this really dainty like nude-ish bralette tank top from Zara. Again, I love basics, and this one is thick enough to not wear a bra with, which is like what I'm aiming for, because I hate wearing a bra when it's hot. Like the tatas get all sweaty and stuff, so I think that'd be like a really nice alternative. And then I know I said I would stay away from strapless stuff, but I just found this like really cute kind of like mermaidy tube top that I thought would go really nice with this pair of mom jeans, so I just had to get it. And like it's white, so it's gonna go with a lot more pieces in my suitcase. And then speaking of the shorts, these are the mom shorts from Primark that I recently picked up. They're super nice and flattering. I actually just tailored like the waist a little bit because it was a little bit wide, so it kind of like bunches up in the back, but it's like not too obvious. But yeah, staple pair of shorts. I love the color. It goes with like any other color, So this would be a nice staple as well. And then I do have another top. This is like another bralette thingy. Love Primark's like staple pieces. This one has been through a lot. Like there's like lint all over it because like I just wear it so often. But this is also another top that you could get away without wearing a bra. So I would really appreciate this in my wardrobe. And then my idea was to have like somewhat flowy shorts. So I have this like really nice sage-y olive hair. I really like the flow of this, but it does wrinkle quite easily. So I think when I'm packing it, I'm just gonna like roll it up so I don't wrinkle it as much, because I saw a TikTok somewhere where if you roll up clothes it would not wrinkle. So I'll be testing that for this trip. And then I think moving on to like more appropriate things, I bought a ton of dresses just because I don't know what I'll be in the mood for or what the weather will be in the mood for. So the first item I have is this like really gorgeous kind of like denim blue, navy blue satin dress. It is a midi. It goes like down to like my calves area. Super cute. I don't really remember what this one is from, but I think the material is just so breathable and so wearable that like maybe we'll go out for like a dinner, or like, you know, even for like long walks and stuff. It would be really cute to have something that's flowy and elegant. And for pictures, and then following that midi dress, I do have another midi dress. You have seen this dress in my most recent haul. It's just really versatile. You can wear like strapless. I'm pretty sure you could unhook the front and kind of like crisscross the straps. So it's super cute, and it's long and flowy. And I just love something that's breathable, because like I'll be eating a lot and I need to hide my food baby in my Instagram photos. So this would be really cute. And then this is a dress that I'm the most excited for. I literally just got this in the mail as well from SHEIN, and it is like such a Miami vibe. I don't know, like it has a tie in the front, so it's adjustable. You could like tie it, you know, halter top around your neck, or you could like crisscross it around your neck. Super cute. And then it's like really nice and flowy. It's also a midi dress, and in the back you have like this bow tie. Like you could tie it in a bow, and there's like a little cutout in your back. I don't know, it doesn't make sense like this, but hopefully I'll take a really cute Instagram photo with this, so you'll see how it looks on. And then I have another midi dress. I know it's getting kind of like stuffy, but I don't know, I'd like to have options. It's better to have more options than not enough, because you can always work with like what you have, but if you don't have enough, then what are you gonna do? But I do have this really cute olive bodycon. It's like slightly loose. The material is a little on the thicker side, but I feel like this kind of hides my food baby. I'm just slightly worried about the fabric because it is on the thicker side, but I figured like there are two slits on the side, so it'll be like nice ventilation. I don't really know how I feel about it yet, but I don't know, I just figured if I don't want to wear anything too like revealing, or like something that would just get swept up in the wind or something, I never know, but this would be like a great alternative. And like it's just like a really casual piece that you could dress up. But yeah, I think I'll be really enjoying this as well. And now onto the mini dresses, which is more like weather appropriate. I am going to bring this really cute blue Ditsy floral print from Nasty Gal. I actually did a haul on this recently as well. Honestly, I'm just gonna like link all my hauls below, because like everything in the suitcase is from recent hauls. So if you haven't checked it out, check it out. It'd be like up here or down below. But this one is just really cute. You can tie the strings in the front into a little bow. It has like frills and stuff. It screams like really girly vibes, but I kind of like it for, you know, Florida, because it's kind of like bringing out my girly side. And then you already know that I have to bring this ditzy one from Nasty Gal as well on the trip. This one is super flattering, and I feel like this is one of my favorite dresses from Nasty Gal. Super cute and super airy. Can't wait to wear it. And then final thing I have outfit wise, okay, I know the sleeves are a little long, but I feel like this could be such a cute moment, but I'm kind of rethinking it right now, because like holding it up, it is kind of heavy. But yeah, I don't know, I just feel like it'd be a nice option to have. I'm still like kind of iffy about it. I don't know, I'll sleep on it, and then if I feel like I don't need it, I'll just take it out in the morning. This is also from SHEIN. It has like puff sleeves, a square neckline, and like a kind of not smock, but it's like elastic bodice, so it really hugs you well. It screams such like summer vibes, which is what I think of when I think Florida. So I think it'd be kind of cute. I'll just leave it in there for now. And then onto bikinis. All of these bikinis are probably from SHEIN, I believe. Unless I can remember where they're from, I'll tell you. I recently got this. It screams like really pastel vibes and I really like it. It's super cute with like the frills and stuff. And then the bottoms are like the cutest thing. It's like high leg and then it has like these cutouts. Ties go on your waist. And then this part goes in your hips and then you kind of have like a cutout here. It's like super cute and it's kind of like out of my comfort zone, but I feel like going to Florida, so I might as well. I also love that they come in these baggies because like it just keeps all my bikinis very organized, so it's like easy to grab and go. I really love the color, but the top is kind of basic. It's just like this little triangular bralette, and then it's like my first time trying like thigh-high, not that high, what I'm talking about, high-waisted panties. Yeah, it's definitely like a different cut, but I've heard that these make your legs look longer, so I'm gonna try that and I'll let you guys know. I have like this really cute one. It's like kind of like paisley, like fine china print. It has like this ruffle detailing in the front, and then the bottoms are also high-waisted, super cute. But yeah, I love the material, it's super stretchy, and I actually kind of like that there's no tie because it just kind of like sits at your waist and you have to worry about it like falling off in the water, untying in the water. And then I have yet another pastel colored bikini. This one is like just kind of, I don't even know what this cup is called, it's underwire. And then I love this one because it has like these metal clasps, so it's like super easy to like get in and out of. You just kind of hook it. And then the bottoms of this one are kind of basic. They're not super high-waisted, they just kind of like sits regular length, but your butt looks so good in this. And then I have this a bikini bottom that's not part of like any set. I just think that it's very staple to have a black bikini bottom because it'll go with any other top, so that's why I just have this. Another one from SHEIN. This one is like even more basic. It is kind of like just a sports bra looking top, but it's like ribbed. I don't know, I think that's kind of cute, but I've never had this color in anything before, so I thought it'd be really cute to try. And then the bottoms are kind of high-waisted as well. I just feel like this cut would make my legs look so long. I don't know, I kind of see it already, but yeah, super cute. This is from Forever 21. I have this like this super yellow one, and it has like a closure in the front, which is like very different, but it's super cute and like super dainty in the back, so you don't have to worry about like awkward tan lines. And then I thought this would be really cute with like the black bottoms because black and yellow, or black with anything, goes well. And then I also did end up getting like a beach cover up, which I usually don't. I thought it'd be fun to try. It's like this nice, I don't know what's it called, like cutout one from SHEIN, super light. I thought it'd be really cute to like, you know. I'm actually packing the thicker stuff underneath because I don't know if I'll need it.